kugambira abantu baitu ne gasianko and kerena twajite gaiga initially ani kunyurete the first term
yes
amagana na bari kuruta rugabana turakoreke amagana mange egai kalende anomatic we came to set up a county. Nobody knew what a county is to institutionalize more again to ne municipality ne deaf town councils so Governor Ongwae having been a very astute civil servant aka bring officers of experience to set up the county government of Kisii. Nobody knew how the county governments were going to work. So in the initial first years, we were setting up a county integrated development plan, CIDP, spatial plans, Kobeka, all those institutions together. And we did our part. In terms of na kaitwa ikerete, you remember very well, constitutionally na the county sector and the head of service nero digarete nyuma ko hand over government because immediate elections were declared, the governor and the ministers vacated office. But I remained behind. Nka make sure kwamba the transition period and the handing over of government assets and liabilities was done procedurally and to the letter. In fact, I came mwiso Kawoli, Governor, Your Excellency, Governor Simba, are you okay? Can I now leave? And the governor said, Patrick, you have done your best. I wish you well. And I bid bye-bye. I have retired.